guys, welcome sa itong video balik no. Karon modula ta usab. Ya last time niuli ta sa balay no. Ikan ta sa pizzahan, kuha ta sa atong papa ko no. Alright, time to get back to Jeff's. I think I have a plan now. Gotta get out of here first. So, what do I have in here? I can just get it. Isa sa kusina. Dagan. Nice. Go to the vault here. Sama dito sa pizzahan. Kaluwason na ito kung papadita mo sa luto. Gusto mo masagutan natin paparibot. Ay. Hi Jeff. It. Oh, tabay. Abakoy. Trap. Yes, na. Attention ta details sa niyo kay nindot kayo mga bulaw masipasipaan no. Amazing kayo ang ilang 2D art style pinak. Not gonna blame, not gonna lie to. Nice kay pagkahimo. The post that I've heard before, wonder where it came from. Oh fudge. Unlike the item. Wait. Yeah, circle. Ito. Wow, token. Oh. I saw you move. What? No. What the hell? What the asa ko mo tago? Buak eh. Wala ang box dito. Balik ta sa sugod. Wait lang guys. Ako sa ibalik dito kan Jeff. Okay guys, nakabalik ta sa ball pit, no? Asa tong namatay ta kay nag-expect pa ko na pa ditong box nga mataguan mo, pero unfortunately wala di ay. Oh perfect, tala sa pina-figure out again itong back. Yeah. Ano? Find that. Yes. We will hide here and listen for the footsteps. He's running. Hey, he's gone. Oh shit! No. What? Oh, he's mad. Nasuko siya, bros. Nasuko siya kawata niya na dapat. It looks like something got painted over here. I wonder what it is. Yo. Is it safe? Safe na bumabalik? Safe na bumabalik? Balik ko. Kailangan na ito kaya rin. Oh, safe, safe. It's gone. I think. Okay. Sarun. Sarun. Wait. Oh. Oh! No! No, siya diha. Diha. Ay. Ay. Ay, wala na siya. Isulod siya sa Picas room. No! Dagan. 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 Gay, nadagma. Oh. Ah, bangon na eh. Does that even have a stomach? How did it know na lang siya pa? Especially the kid in the kitchen. Maybe. Talk to Jeff. Oh shit. Can I hide you? No. I don't have any hiding. Oh. Eerie juga ilang music diri mo pero nice pod. Okay, lisod pod ang horror game wala nga eerie music. Pero kita na tani Chika, si Bunny na lang o si Freddy ang wala. There's Jeff. Hey Jeff, do you have any extra slice of pizza that you can give me? Sorry kid, you know things have been possible for you something. You want something? Yeah, buy it. Oh, okay. What do I do now? I can afford to buy anything. If I could just buy a slice from the kitchen, I have some random rat pan. I bet a rat chase it. Okay, I have a plan. I see a rat. Kita sa rat. Kita tag RET sa lugar diri. Station is waon to. Siyempre, nago tayo mouse. So, asa siya. Dito sa pinaka. Nope. I'm not gonna lie. You see that door cracking? Wait. Oh, there he is. Sige na. Sige. Ito ba rin ito ba? Okay. Now he's out of our sight. Let's go here. And there it is. There it is. Great Scott. Oh, shish. Ipalo na pod niya aso ga. Ngit na pod. Luso to. Narasa. No, don't stop. Oh. Ay. Yeah, this is na. Okay. So, balik ta. Pagkay, padagma. Dentek na bata ni. Ano padagma man ka? Ayaw sa padagma. Kailangan na to ni. Okay, saba na kami. na po. Yung dagan ka. No. Abre na putahan. Dagan. Bye-bye. Bye. Woo! Basta chasing scene lagi ba? Di na ko kaya. Pati ako kasi dagan po. Okay. Nanata ilaga. Karon sa mga to kang Jeff. Hi Jeff, I have rats. Do you want R80 in your kitchen? Or sa bahay mo, ganyan ka sa bahay. You should be not to distract Jeff. Oh, hilat na. Naratintahan ha. You picked the wrong place, pal. Nindot siguro na ko yung you picked the wrong house. The kitchen should be clean now. I just have to sneak in, grab a pizza and hurry out before Jeff comes. Now, where's a battery? Dagana na ako battery. Wala ka na ako ginagamit. Lure the bird. Man, again, thinks chicken is a bird. Yeah, chicken is a bird. Bugo, kabalo ka na. Sa ilo. And going back where he is. Oh. Oh, you know what? I should create this trap. Oh no! It's busted! No. Don't trap me. Sichi! What the heck is that? I think we went to the room. You saw me. Hi, bro. Please. No. Hindi ko niya da. Nakikitan ko niya dito. Ako lang kataguan na ulit. Ano? Ako yung pinaka-hated na ko nga. Fuck. Dang it. Ano man? Behold na ako space. Balik na punta. Di alam mo guys ha. Ibalik lang ako dito na part. Hi guys, karon nakabalik na tano sa ato ang mission nga sa Tanamatay. Ikaduha ko nagbalik, ikaduha ko napildi. Kaduha lang. Karon na ako napansin without din yung gulo na pwede. Ano siya napuntahan? I guess wala siya din. Oh man, ano siya din? So, sama na natin. Oh,
like aren't really under your
si Mike.
responsibilities. But I need to tell you something, just in case, alright? The characters like to move around at night when nobody's here. They like to roam around and be themselves. There isn't a concern for your safety here. Just one thing. Try not to let them
Reminis
see you
sa Five Nights
walking
at Freddy
or
1.
moving around. Then you might be in a bit of a pickle.
Nasa taas. So sa exit kami. Nakita ni Mike. So si Chip. Asa si Chip? Maybe in trouble. Aren't you coming? No, I'm looking for my dad. He's wearing a blue shirt and has brown hair. Have you seen him? Nope. Have you seen Chip? We're not getting the power right now. No, I haven't. Do you think he's... Oh, dang it. Yes! Run, run. Wow, lucky me. Run out na. Likod pa ka. Mali dito mo putahan. Ay, kapaspas niya! Oh, paspasan yun! Guys, nabalik na tano. Asa ta napatay. Ano ni Golden Spring Trap. Nakita na po kami balik ni Mike. I hope we can escape him this time. Yes. Nice one. Then run. Ayaw ka dagma. Pas mo dagan. Nakabig si Chika. Yeah. Kabalo na siya. Asa ko. Dagan Japon. Never look back. Yes. Natakasan na to. Let's go. Man, that was so close. Where can I find him? Where haven't you looked yet? Daddy. I don't know where you are. I will find you. And I will save you. Go home. Wow. After a late night stroll. Muli ta. And it's day 3. Karon day 3 na ta. So let's find mom. Oh, you're gonna pet that dang cat. Oh, why you cannot pet my cat? Oh, not that. Pet that dang cat. May paniyang earring. Among earring kagabi gikaon na mo sudan. Oh. Already followed that thing once. Didn't go so well last time. Oh. Bright put ni si Oswald. Oh. Good morning, Oswald. Are you ready for breakfast? I think I'll just eat at school today if that's okay. Sure, honey. Have you made any friends yet? Well, there's one guy now I can't seem to get away from. Now Oz. That's not very nice. Maybe he just wants to be your friend. In any case, it's only your second day. It'll get better. You just have to take it one step at a time. Ooh. Go to school. Design sa dula ba? Design sa balay. Wapo kayo. Actually, sila nila yun sa nila ni Maya. Oh, na akong papa. And my mama. Yeah. Mawadyo ka kabalo na itong papa mawa na matawag kasiga-siga o murag bumbilyaw na pundero. You might be a big 6th grader now, but you can't outrun a mom's smoosh. Chup mama. Be good today, Oswald. Remember that Dad and I are always here for you. Are you sure about that? Dad is flickering his eyes. I wish you would believe me about that. Oh, what happened to your dad? Tama gani. Sa school. Balik punta sa school. Eskwela. Pero guys, sa eskwela bitaw, kamay ra kay nangasalin sa kabigat sa tuwa. Kaka kaya sa mga hindran sa pito ng buhit. Ha! It's Oswald. It's a place to know. Ocelots don't even do that. I guess you'll be the expert. Yes, I have a knowledge. Oh. got way bigger powers than you today. Kasabaan. Hindi mawala ni bully sa eskwelahan. Oh, shit! Oh! What's the matter, Oswald? Nothing, Mrs. Meacham. I just can't focus, I guess. Maybe you need to stretch your legs to clear your mind. I left the book behind the principal's office. Would you mind getting it for me? Oh, okay. It's no problem. It's not a big deal. How can I save that if I can barely even get through school? Come on, Oz. Like Mom said, one step at a time. One step at a time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Principal's office, principal's office, principal's office, asa, ibang ita, nara. Oh, kung saan yung babae dito? Hey, what are you doing outside of class? Oh, principal is. Oh, getting book from Mrs. Mitchell? No, you're not. Kid, you're helping me find the key in my office. Huh? I got locked up myself office. I went to get a snack. Oh, matakaw. Snapshot? Snack. When I want to oversee students' behavior. Oh, shit. Lara. Smell. Something smell. Oh, look around. You're a lifesaver, little guy. Oh, not really ko little guy. Taas ko. Mo pala height ani. This door is locked. Wow. Not the door. So, imong susi. Asa mo pwede. Kaya ang susi. A battery. Battery, may nakita. Probably in my textbook. Oh, I got him. There's a voucher validator. Run, Oswald, run. Ayaw run. Run aside. Ayaw ko run. Run ako. Wow, where did you find it? You know, I searched almost every room in this school for that thing. Murag duhar magani kini ka buok room ni dere amo ka to patupag ka estudyante pero pag mahuman ang klase daghan ano ng mga estudyante. Almost every room. Pero lain na sa doubt ni paano ni Oswald. I better be off na. I think I heard someone calling me in the cafeteria. Oh, gitawag ka sa pagkain. So, finally, now I get back to class. Wait, what's that? Nice, stretchy hand. Mrs. Meacham, atong principal, nagpa-principal aron magsiwirag kaon. Alagi, duwara ka bok room. Duwara ka bok. Puntahan na. You certainly took your time as well. Sorry, Mrs. Meacham, I really needed that break. Oh, pinaka-the best sa klase, ulian. Now go home na. Grabe, pati sa eskwelahan, naagapon sila, nagkatawa. West. Doon ra kayo sa mapa ang iyang balay o eskwelahan pero gabi ko nabot. Looks like it's roaming around the house again. Time to find a way out. Find a way. Ipalo nga suga dire. Nari siya dire. No. Hoy! No! No! I told Tama naman na yung screwdriver sa bintana na lang kumuha yun. Pagka na lang. Lisod-lisod mo so kita ko. Ano yung bintana dahil? Matay pa lang ako na. Check over there. If she finds you. Alright. Hi, Jeff. Bungkag yung portahan pag bungkag nito. I don't mind you. Just casually dining in here. Oh, I don't know, bro. It's Guillermo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I need to get fast. Tigtiin ko. Namatay po ko doon sa sulat. Kung kumidagan siya. Kaya, duha sila ka bro. Siguro no. Nasa balay na po isa diri. That thing came from the arcade last time. Maybe it's keeping that there. Cheap. Ano really into the arcade? Ano really the arcade? How do you? How do you get into the arcade? How do you get into the arcade? That thing came from the arcade. Mike said the arcade was the last place is so cheap. I need to get in there, but the only way in requires a key. Ano lang ang pakutana asal susi. Very good. That's nice. I'll be right back. Grabe, nakitaan man tayo na ito. Isang ito eh. Pinako na ba siya dito si Katulo? Kailangan daw susi ang arcade. Nasa mga kuha na. Kasama tayo nyo. Sa baka sa telephone na, sa nadin niya. Kasama nyo. Oh, chica. Ano mo naman siya? Sige, sa pagita sa ako. Ano siya? Chicken don't have sense. They don't have any sense. Kami na lang si Golden Dude. Oh wow. Dad took this picture of me, Mom, on the last beach trip. Daddy and I got so sunburned that Mom keep calling us pair of lobster. We should be reapplied sunscreen like she said, but Daddy and I were too busy swimming to remember. Not sure how Mom puts up with us sometimes. When our town retro chef got a new My cousin Drelex Robot that promised to take me to get C. I wanted so badly, but Dad didn't have any money. Somebody bought it. A few weeks later, and I thought I'd never see it again. Turns out Dad was the one who bought it. Hey, he worked overtime every day for weeks just so he could surprise me. I was so happy. Appreciate your father. Appreciate. And okay, naano siya din eh. Ah, no. No. Kagaya niya. Wait lang guys, bubalik pa rin natin. Pick up the keyboard. Yeah! Okay. Now at the arcade. Yes, baby. Ow. Whoa. Is that oh. Shit, it was close. Now, I just have to lure the rabbit out. So, nanatay mission no, pwede na tayo balik sa meal kaya ito lang na-interact ang gitara ni Bunny. Hindi nyo kalimtan, i-interact ang gitara ni Bunny. Bunny. Bunny, Bunny. Bunny. Kung Bisaya man ta, Bunny. Low-key ang background music sa iyahang pizzahan kay katong tingog ni ay kanang gitara ni Freddy pag nakamahutdan kag battery sa 1 karon na po na-realize man creepy jud kay ning kalinay mata diri hey what the heck Unyos what the Oscar was also Oswald for a fool. This will be definitely make headlines in school. Bully you can see ba? Just what's he doing out here? Whatever, I can worry about him right now. I need to get back. Oh no. Yeah. Tama, ana jud. Mature mag-isip si Oswald sa edad nga wala ko kabalo. Pero grade 6 siya. Pila ba pala grade 6 ko? Nakalimot ko pila na grade 6 ko. Pero sige lang. Balik na ta kung ayoko na gitara. Oh, I hope I can fix that right immediately. Tan-taran. Tan-taran, taran. Tan-tan-taran. Tan-tan-taran. Balik ta. Patay ko ani ugma niya. Ugma di ay. Ano na sila diri. Na sila diri. Ay, sila. So fix this guitar. String it probably won't sound good, but I guess it worked. Oh freaks, let's jam. That's my boy S W A. No, run. Oh. Oh, pula ka siyang mata. Pula ka siyang mata. Okay, bye-bye dudes. Okay, let's look. Oh shit! Nice. Bye bye. I have to follow the vents. Whew. Kita po din mo yung ano na makadina nga vent. Ay! Rescue chip. Boing. Boing. Loya ni mo. Sige. Chip. Chip. Thanks. I don't know what that. Thank me later. Was there a grown man up? We didn't know. Have you seen Mike? I found him. He's safe now. Come on, man. We gotta split. No, Escape, he said. Ayaw ka dagma! Ayaw ka dagma! Sagpaon hindi ka manapatan. Ang escape! Wala siya nadagma so far. So, I knew I heard his voice. Hang in there, Dad. My dad is okay. Hey, day 4! Day 4 na ta. Off to school, no idea how I'll make it through the day. Barely slept. Pet that damn cat. Pet that cat. Pet that cat. Can I bring this to them? Oh. Nabot lagi ni sila diri. Ano ka traumatic? Pinato ko katromo. Oh! Pati sa gawas, nagya po yung voices. Ano ba doon? Yeah. We'll go to school. Schooling, baby! Bully. Tama ang bully. Oh, no. I'm not. Oh, I thought na. Jud. Hey, look, it's Ozzo the raccoon. I'm surprised he's not still up being with them. Yeah, probably means right at home there. Oh. Oh no. Sniper vitality. Hallucinating. Oh. What's the matter, Nosworth? You look like you're ready to puke. Maybe all that trash has made him sick. Maybe he's finally amusing you. Oh no. Frog! Oh no. We gotta get out of here. Damn, siya kasi labay. Ang bully, kay gibully. Go to the ball pit. Oh, so yun naman kita sa ball pit. Sure, nani? Okay. Oh, wala si Jeff. Fail. Don't you worry, I have just that thing. Pinaka-weak na ko nga arcade sa tanan. I don't have the right parts. Oh, I have the right parts. Oh! Weight resistance mechanism. Alright. Butterfly data. Kuwao na ni mo. Baka dito si Katulo. Kaya ni Age speaker. Grade 6. Kabalo na mo ayong mga arcade games. Damn, hindi pa tayo ko halos makakaya sa mundo. Pero that's okay. Busted and makagibang. Para sa asa mo isa. Dulaan sa nato taman guys ha. Balik ra ko na. Thank you so much. 5. Ano yung sample ko? So how many tickets? 56. So go to the pit. Oh, ano kalimot po ato? Ano yung isa ba nga nga ang pero? Karon guys, nakabalik na ta. No, day 4. We're gonna be kidding. How many kids they trap here? I don't know. Investigate the screen. This game, no. Look! Putik til. What? Oh, nasa taas. Hindi rin. Mo breakdance man ni si Chico. What the first? Hey! Dang it. So guys, dire lang siguro na to i-wrap up no. Okay, maklase pa ko taod-taod. Salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Ug adto sa sunod na pod. Bye! Bye-bye, chicken!